So I finished this and now... What? Does that say 25? It is! Today is the 25th! It's my dad's birthday. How did I forget it? Think my dad noticed? Where is he? Oh, I don't think he's noticed. He's drinking his coffee as he always does, and he'll read his morning newspaper. What? The newspaper? He'll know what day it is when he looks at the newspaper and remembers it's his birthday today. I'll never be able to plan a surprise for him. I just don't know what to do. If I can take the newspaper unnoticed, he won't see what day it is today. Only Mutlu can do that. Mutlu! Hey, where are you? I need your help more than ever. Mutlu, are you in there? Mutlu? Ooh.
Need help?
Mutlu, did you become a superhero? I can't believe it. You have the perfect timing, Mutlu.
I've been up this whole time. I'm just waiting on you, Muck.
The day, because today is Dad's birthday, but he's going to read the newspaper soon. And I don't want him to see the date because then he'll remember.
I've got that, no problem. That newspaper will be taken before Dad has a chance to read it. I need to go now. Duty calls for the hero. Fly, fly!
You're amazing. Okay, I need to talk to Mom about the birthday cake.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere